Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Indu. I make videos on makeup, skincare, hair care and lifestyle. And for today's video, I have come up with a very mask friendly makeup look. This makeup look is going to be a very less is more kind of a makeup look. This makeup is going to last you for a very long time because anyways you are not caking up too many products, and I have concentrated more on the eyes rather than on the face because basically that's the only thing that is going to be visible. So also this makeup look might not look that great on the camera or on the video, but I promise you it's going to look very presentable in real life. So without any further ado, let's just begin with the video. I'm gonna start off by prepping my skin, and for that I'll be using the Lakme Peach Milk Soft Creme. After that is done, I'll continue with a sunscreen. Always remember to wear a sunscreen if you are stepping out. I'll be using the Pond's sunscreen. It's in SPF 30. And once that is done, I'll continue with my primer. I'll be using the Lakme Blur Perfect Primer. For this look, primer is very essential because you're going to be wearing a mask, and mask can actually take away all the makeup. So I'll say that no matter whatever you apply, sunscreen and primer is the most important step for this makeup look. So I'm just gonna apply to the areas where I just need. I'll not apply too much. I'll just apply on the areas where I have big pores, and also on my nose because that is going to be like more affected by the mask. Okay, once that is done, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige, and I'll just spot correct. I'll just apply on the areas where I need them, just on the areas where I have some dark spots. I'll not apply it all over my face, and for today's look I'm not even going to be using a foundation. Just around my nose on my acne scars, and I'll just blend it out using my fingers. I think whenever you are doing like this sort of a makeup look where you don't need too much coverage or want your makeup to look very seamless and non-detectable, so I think in that cases your fingers and sponges are the best blenders, I would say. You can still see my scars, they are completely see-through and I'm pretty fine with it. If you want, you can also use foundation, but I wanted to keep this look very simple and quick to achieve, and anyways we are going to be wearing a mask and it's not going to be visible. So I'll just set my base using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. It's in the shade 15 Light, and use my damp sponge, like take this and set my face. Don't move the product too much, just dab it in place. Since the powder has a little bit of coverage and I have not applied any base all over my face, so applying the powder all over my face will help it to look more cohesive. I completely forgot to moisturize my lips, so I'm quickly gonna apply a lip balm. This is by Maybelline. Once that is done, I'll move on to my eyes now. I'll as usual just brush my eyebrow hairs in place. Next what I'll do is I'll take my liner and then just simply line my lids, my lash line. You don't have to be too precise because anyways we are going to be smudging it out. So I'll not apply to the inner part, I'll just leave it halfway, like where my this pupil starts from here, and I'll just leave it till there. I'll not go all the way inside. I'll take a brush and just smudge it. I would have preferred a brown liner, but I just realized that I have completely finished my brown liner, so I'm just rather going with my black liner and just smudging it and giving it a soft look, because I feel like black liners look a little bit harsh when you just draw a line on your eyes during the daytime. You see, I just slightly smudged it and also extending a little bit outwards to like make like a wing which is not even there. You see, it was that simple, yet it looks that you have made a lot of effort doing it. And then what I'll do is I'll curl my lash. I'll not do too much to my lower waterline because I think it can mess up a little bit because of the mask. I'll just apply a thin coat of mascara. Usually I go over ham with the mascara, but today I'll just keep it very simple and just apply a thin coat of mascara. Usually I also apply to my lower waterline, but today I'll just leave it as it is. I'll not do too much. I'll quickly finish my other eye and just be back. Alright, so I'm done with the other eye. Next what I'll do is I'll just take like a very dark brown chocolate kind of shade, this shade, and just like ever so slightly just apply to the lower waterline. Okay, so we are almost done. I'll just finish off my look using a lipstick. If you want, you can completely skip the lipstick part because anyways it's not gonna be visible, but I feel like a lot of girls love wearing lipstick no matter what. So I'm just gonna apply this lipstick. This is the Maybelline Creamy Matte and it's in the shade Nude Nuance. It's a very MLBB shade for me. If you don't know what MLBB shade means, it's basically my lips but better shade. Once I have applied that, what I'll do is place a tissue paper on top of my lips and dab off the excess lipstick. You'll see that the tissue paper will take off all the excess product. It has basically made the lipstick even more transfer proof. It will leave a nice stain on the lips and not move from its place. If you want, you can also go with a liquid lipstick. That's the best when it comes to transfer proof, but I love applying this shade. So that was it for today's video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.